All right, guys. So we're in the garage today. It's cold. We got Kevin. He's a goober. Anyways, we're in the garage today. We're gonna work on the Polaris a little bit. I've been having a weird issue with maybe fuel cut, maybe the belt slipping. I've got a boost code we'll talk about a little bit later. Anyways, I've had a fuel level gauge problem since we got it. Don't really know how much fuel's in it all the time. It shows full, but it'll only go to half a tank, and then it'll jump to empty, and it'll still be halfway full. So we're gonna try and fix that today. I reached out to the guys at Quad Logic, and they sent me a box with a new fuel sending unit that's supposed to replace the OEM without replacing the entire fuel pump hanger. We'll jump in here and see what we got. Looks like a replacement sending unit. Usually these clip onto the side of the basket. And I got a new O-ring. Comes with a little bit of wiring. Looks like about everything we need. Then from Aftermarket Assassins, we got a new boost controller. So we'll put that on and try to fix our code. Looks like it comes with some horsepower stickers, some vacuum line. And then from AEM, we got a fuel pump designed specifically for the Polaris Turbo. So we'll open this up, see what we got in the box. Ooh, we got a new strainer. We got fuel line clips. We got a piece of fuel line. And a pump. And I think these are what we run in the Subarus, just about everything. It's a 340 pound per hour pump. Let's see, 245 pound per hour. So yeah, 240 pump. And it's supposed to be plug and play into the Polaris. So we're gonna pull the hanger out. Obviously, I got a pump because of the possibility that my strainer is clogged, causing my misfire. And while I have it out, I wanted to go ahead and put a level sensor in. So I think that's enough unwrapping. We're gonna go to work on the bug. We're gonna pull the fuel pump hanger out. I'll try to do this. I've never done one before. I've done a lot of fuel pumps, but not on the Polaris. So we'll see how much trouble we can get in here. Got a cover and a rubber boot. Here, if we can get it up. Come on, baby. It's too cold for this. The boot knows it's cold. It's like, man, I don't want to do this. Just leave me in here. Yeah. I'm sure this is going to be full of mud. It's going to be beautiful in here. Just absolutely beautiful. Just a dream come true. Yeah. You see that? Looks nice. So we'll dig some mud, get the air blower out, clean this up a little bit. Oh, baby. Probably should have pulled this off when I cleaned it last and pressure washed it, huh, goober? Oh well. Oh well. So, I'm going to turn the air compressor on and get some of this dirt out of here. We don't want any of this to fall down in the gas tank. What are you doing over there? You crawling around like crazy? It's a bunch of mud. Huh? Huh? How'd that get in there? Did you get this in there?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Alright, I think we got this broken up a little bit. Okay, so we got the pump out. Comes in, you know, the whole hanger assembly. Here's the floaty girl. It's kind of fun. I don't know why it doesn't work, but we're gonna replace it. It looks a little different, the one that they sent me. Hopefully it's a better part. I don't know. But, you know, the pump came with decent instructions. You know, we're men, we don't actually read this stuff, but I actually didn't know how to take this pump out, so just reading through, I don't know if they missed a sheet in the instructions or what, but it doesn't tell you how to actually get the pump off of the hanger. It tells you just about everything else. It even gives you the part number for the Polaris tool to take that ring off that I didn't have in here somewhere. I don't know. Anyways, we're going to get this pump off. It doesn't look like it actually has anything holding it in. This wraps around the front to keep it in the hanger, and there's a plate on the bottom to keep it from going down too far. There's nothing on the top that looks like it latches it in other than just this solid fuel hose right here. So we got a new piece of hose in the kit to replace this, and clamps and all that stuff. So we're gonna start with cutting this hose. I think the pump will just lay out of here, and it just has some push connectors on here. Make sure we don't have any leaks. There it is. I don't see anything spraying out. Do you, Goober?
Nope.
What do you think? Think it's sealed up?
Uh-huh.
Looks like it. Let's get this rubber ring back on. This thing's got a full tank of gas. We'll see if our sending unit works. That'd be cool. Like so. See if it starts. How about that?
Yeah.
You're supposed to giggle.